At this point, I have absolutely no idea what The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, is trying to do. Last week, he made a surprise announcement that he would be making his return on WWE SmackDown. The Rock then appeared on SmackDown and was involved in a lengthy segment with undisputed WWE champion Cody Rhodes. The segment that many fans are calling one of the weirdest segments in WWE history. Throughout the segment, The Rock kept changing his character, his persona, multiple times. At one point, fans simply gave up and had absolutely no idea if The Rock was a heel or a babyface. It's 2025 and kayfabe is not alive at all. Kayfabe has been completely destroyed for decades on end at this point. But I don't think anyone in the history of WWE has destroyed kayfabe as much as The Rock did in his latest tweet after his segment with Cody Rhodes. A couple of days after his segment with Cody Rhodes, The Rock took to Twitter and tweeted the following: "Thanks for watching the show. We got some disruptive moves coming up, so tune in." And then he wrote something that left most of the WWE universe fuming. Here's what he wrote: "Love playing this audacious, unpredictable character known as Final Boss." This is what The Rock wrote, and fans went bananas. And at this point, I fully believe that even The Rock doesn't know what he wants to do with his character, his gimmick, on the road to WrestleMania 41. Meanwhile, let's take a look at some of the most notable tweets and angry responses that The Rock's tweet received. "I don't like the constant character use in every interview from him and Hunter these days. We are not stupid, but Jesus, keep a little of the makeup on, your not Marvel or DC. You are killing kayfabe right now, Rocky. Disrupting plans and making it all about you, classic. Your marketing team is just ruining kayfabe. I wish Black Adam didn't bomb, so you would have stayed with DC and not ruined WWE's momentum again. Kayfabe is officially dead. Like we know it isn't real and that you are playing a role. But goddamn, do you really have to just completely bury kayfabe in broad daylight? Playing a character. What?" This tweet literally goes against everything wrestling is fundamentally built on. Either commit to wrestling and having your public image being that of a bad guy, or get the F out and stop disrupting WWE programming. Stop saying it's a character and disrespecting the business. Sell Terrimana someplace else.